Hey guys, Justin here, American Pool and Spa, Richmond, Kentucky. Welcome to Hashtag Pool, guys. We are right now in lovely Harrodsburg, Kentucky. That's about an hour from Richmond in our area, but we definitely service come this way.
Harrodsburg is well known for its numerous historical sites, or admire the historic architecture that accents downtown.
I hope everyone enjoyed their 4th of July, had a great time. I know we did. We took off just one day for it, but we're back at it. We're building a swimming pool. We're building a radiant vinyl liner in ground, and this is going to be a 21 by 37 mountain lake. This one's going to be kind of neat because we're always bragging on our tanning ledges that we love to build, but this is going to have one big tanning ledge on one end, but also is going to have a little bench seat in the bump out area because this is like a kidney shaped pool. As you guys can see our drawing and things, but right now behind us we hit a little snag today. We hit some rock. We only have another 7 inches to go, but the entire hole that Mario's standing in here, we got some rock that we've got to hammer out. So we're not going to get a hoe ram here until about 2:30, 3 o'clock. It's about 12 o'clock right now. But we're going to keep continuing digging. Some things we wanted to point out on this dig specifically, which is really cool. We learned from our good friends how to dig a pool very efficiently from Mark Henderson. Is his Pools and Spas Unlimited out of Milford, Delaware.
Did a lot of times with these freeform pools, if we got time, which is the easiest way to do it, we'll make a tarp of this.
Like which we already had done in this case.
A template.
Right.
Yeah, we'll make a template out of it. And we use these ABs right here. See, you got A, and B back here.
Yeah.
We set these 2 pins and we triangulate everything. They generate it for us.
And that's your whole list right there of the numbers to do this entire dig.
It plots
Did they
everything
give you
out.
that? Yes.
But shout out to Mark teaching us how to dig a pool a lot more efficiently. So as we see, we have different pins and things laid out and marked here. He taught us how to do that. So we're able to keep a more contour in a cleaner hole and a cleaner dig. So we're able to move a lot faster, build our walls in our pool, and also make it work a little bit nicer and smoothly. Now, one thing is with these radiant pools, like we've said before, lifetime warranty, absolutely love them. Guys, summer's here, it's hot, it's beautiful out. We still have plenty of people on the books right now. We're booked up into September, but if you call in now, get on the books, we could order, get your backyard planning, get it going right now. We could get you guys in an installation in September, October, November. We still install these pools up until November, okay? So, guys are interested in a swimming pool, check us out, but stay tuned because this entire week you're going to see the progress of this pool go up pretty quickly. So, another episode of Hashtag Pool, guys. I'm Justin, American Pool and Spa, Richmond, Kentucky. Leave it to us, just swim and relax. So with poor Splashy, I got something funny to show you guys. We noticed we were spray painting, not to be weird, but poor guy, if you can see, he walked into our paint, he's got a little bit of orange on him. Poor guy. It's all right, buddy, it's all right. We all make mistakes.